Cops identified driver and passenger killed in St. Anne crash. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The two people who died in a two-vehicle bus collision along the Llandovery Main Road in St. Anne on Sunday resulted in a traffic pile-up in the area have been identified by the police. They are 39-year-old Hermit Grant of Brownstown in the parish and 56-year-old Elizabeth Palmer of Montpelier Runaway Bay, also in St. Anne. Reports from the police are that at around 8:30 a.m., a Toyota Coaster bus was traveling towards St. James when on reaching a section of the roadway it collided with a Toyota Hiace bus traveling in the opposite direction. Footage captured at the accident scene were too horrific to show, as a number of people could be seen obviously with broken limbs.
Hey, this just happened a while ago. 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 Just happened a while ago.
The police said that they were alerted along with units from the St. Anne Fire Department, and the injured were transported to hospital. The two people who succumbed to injuries, a driver and a passenger, were traveling in the Toyota Hiace bus. They passed away while being treated, and more than 15 others were hospitalized after the crash, the police said in a statement.
God, man. Come on. Oh, judge of all rain. Look at me a witness, man. I come from Sunfest. Mash up, man. Mash up. Driver, me want to come out, but judge, can't do nothing. What's this woman? Mash up here. Yo. People don't take time and drive. Jano. Whoa.
My God, man.
Dr. Hamilton, just as brief as you can, just share where we are now. I know we would have done a briefing with the family member, and we are scheduled to do another briefing in another 45 minutes just to give them more information about their relative. But is there anything else that you might want to add in terms of how we are managing here?
Well, I'm sure you all have told them that we had 27 patients who presented to the facility. Unfortunately, 2 died. And in fact, the injuries are quite severe, and about 4 of them are being prepared for surgical intervention as we speak. A lot of orthopedic injury, we have experienced a lot of orthopedic injuries, and so by way of that, we'll actually have to find at least admissions for all 26 patients who are admitted. The team is continuing to do work on the ground. It's a lot of work, and so there will be delay in seeing non-urgent cases as we go forward, but we ask for the public to understand what's going on.
Were you here this morning when the accident occurred, or you were home? How did you?
So whenever we have a maskers, we activate the maskers protocol, and that it means to call all the doctors who are available to come and who are on duty. So thanks to the team, with those who are on duty and those who are near and off duty did respond. And so this is why we are able to manage as per protocol in a maskers situation.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.